I had priced at $12.50, $234. Today we calling around because these tires might cost a lot. These may cost a small fortune. 285 rears. I know they about to be expensive. Fam, today we calling tire shops because these tires might be crazy expensive. And yes, fam, I still have a house phone.
Hello, thank you for calling this Tire in Bartlett. This is David. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to price some tires for my 2024 BMW 760i M Sport xdrive.
Have you ever been with us before?
No,
Alright, what year was it?
a 2024.
You already need 4 new tires on it? BMW M340?
No, 760i M Sport.
340, no. What is that, 330i?
760i.
No, 760. Don't know where I got the 3 from. You got the 21s or the 20s on there?
21s.
Then I have to definitely order them in. Do you have a specific tire you're looking for?
No, I just want some prices.
Okay, I mean, we got a whole bunch of options. It just depends on, do you want to match them up? It's an xdrive, so pretty sure they all 4 have to match.
Yeah, let's do all 4.
Okay.
The fronts are 255 40 R21s.
Okay. So the Toyos are going to be the least expensive. They're also a really good tire as well. They're 251 on the front and then 319 on the rears. All 4 of them will be $13.95.
For all 4 tires, are you sure?
I'm sure, unless you want run flats.
Yeah, let's do run flats because I don't have a spare or a jack.
Okay. Do they come in run flats?
I'm sure the tires on here are run flats because I don't have a spare or a jack.
I don't know if these sizes come in run flats. Can't find them at least.
Okay, let's go back to just the regular tires then.
Well then we got the Yokohamas as well, which are going to be a really good tire. Those are 350 on the front and 340 on the rear. Surprising the rear is cheaper, but those would be 1658 for all 4 of them. Continentals are really good tires as well, 1746 for all 4 of those. The Goodyear Eagle F1s are probably the best tire. Those are going to be 2064. And you got a whole bunch of options. The ones I'd probably put on there would be the Yokohamas.
What's on here now are Pirelli Zero.
Yeah, that makes sense. Probably the PZ4 Sports or the luxuries, I'm assuming.
Yeah, it's a luxury car. It's over 100K.
The Pirellis, they make a luxury version and a sport version of the same tire, and it just kind of depends on the tires they put on each car. They really are the same exact tires, so I don't know why they have different names. But it looks like they only make the PZ4 Sport for your vehicle anyway.
And what are the price on those? What are the price on those?
Those out the door would be $21.19.
That's installed and everything?
Install tax out the door.
Do y'all use touchless tire machines?
A touchless tire machine?
Yeah, because the wheels are really easy to scratch. You know, they kind of big.
Yeah, no, we've changed them before.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'll give you a call back.
Yeah, just let me know. We do beat any price out there. And then all of our tires, they come with free prorate road hazard and free rotation and balances.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is David.
All right, David. I'll give you a call back.
Yeah, just let me know.
All right, bet.
All right.
This call may be recorded for quality assurance. Thank you for calling Firestone. Please listen carefully as our menu options have recently changed. To get information on tire pricing and availability, please press 1. To set an appointment for service, please press
Hey, Zach, what's up? I'm calling to price some tires for my 2024 BMW 760i xDrive M Sport.
Oh, you just said a mouthful. 901-758. Good number.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Give me just a second.
All right.
I might need you to say all that again now.
All right, no problem.
You called it out a little fast, but let me put your info in. Are you Mr.
No.
What's your name?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. And what's the year, make, and model? One more time. I know it's a BMW, but give me the year, make.
2024 760i xDrive M Sport.
760. Tire size is it? I know it's staggered. Is it 255, 45, 20 on the front and 285, 40, 20 on the back?
No, it's 255 40 R21s on the front and 285 35 R21s on the back.
Gotcha. Let's see here. I'm building you a quote right now, but give me a half a second.
All right.
So the back two I have priced at $10.95.94. That's without me putting any discounts on there. The front two I have priced at $12.52.34. So, and that's like I said, without any discounts. If you come in, we can get this buy three get one deal that we got going on. And then we can try to get this down a little cheaper for you. Now these tires I do not have in stock. I would have to get them ordered, but I can get them ordered and here. It just might take me a little while to get them ordered.
Are they run flats?
Yes, sir, they are. You can't do nothing else on that car but run flats.
I know, right? Because I don't have a spare or a jack.
No, sir, you don't get none of that.
Pitiful.
You get new technology.
That's pitiful. First car I ever owned like this, man.
Yeah, it's a nice car to own, but kind of a headache too at the same time.
Yeah, it is kind of weird. What's your name again?
I'm Zach.
Okay, Zach, I'll give you a call back. I'm going to shop around a little more.
All righty, yes, sir. Let me know. And then if you can bring me a quote inside Firestone, print it out from anywhere else, if they give you a better price, bring it to me. I'll bring it to any of one of my associates up here, and we'll beat it.
All right, bet.
Yes, sir.
All right, later.
All right.
Man, these tires almost cost what another car costs. Yes, I'm calling the price tires for my 2024 760i BMW xDrive M Sport.
All right, hang on just 1 second for me.
All right. Should I just buy another car or buy tires, gang? Let me know in the comments. Man, these tires are expensive. Jesus.